Memory foam mattresses arrive at your doorstep compressed in a box. Our innovative packaging and design make the experience of buying a new mattress simple and convenient. Here's how our memory foam mattress goes from a box to a comfortable premium memory foam mattress in just 4 easy steps, taking only a few minutes. Before opening your mattress, bring the mattress to the bedroom and remove the mattress from the box. Carefully peel away the outer wrapping, making sure you don't cut into the clear plastic. Then lay it on your box spring or platform bed. Unroll the compressed mattress and cut one side of the clear plastic wrapper and watch as the mattress begins to decompress. Pull away the clear plastic wrapper. We recommend allowing your new mattress 24 to 48 hours to fully expand to its original size, although sleeping on the mattress will not affect the recovery process. Our mattresses are designed to help you discover a better, more comfortable sleep. Customers say our mattresses are comparable to mattresses costing 4 times as much and provide a restorative sleep experience night after night. Foam use in our mattresses is CertiPure US certified, tested by an independent laboratory to meet specific criteria for physical performance, indoor emissions, and environmental stewardship.